So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add a video in a text, just like this. Alright, so open up your Premiere Pro, you drag and drop your video, come here and select your type tool or your text tool. Then let's put our text. You can put whatever text you want to put, you can put, then highlight it and go to your effect control here, down here. You can click on the motion tool, then drag and drop it at the middle. You can actually like stretch it a bit. Once you've done that, you come here, come to your effects tool and you look for track matte key. This is it here already, so you drag and drop it into your video, not into your text, into your video, please. Then you can actually like stretch this to the beginning of the video. Yeah, I want to make it from the beginning. So alright, so once you drag your track matte key into your video, you select your video, then you come to your effect control here where you have your track matte key and come here, then you select V2 or video 2. So why are we selecting video 2 is because this particular text is on V2. So if your text was to be above V2, which is V3, you select video 3. If it's above video 3, which is V4, you select video 4, video 6, video 7, whichever one your text is, you select it on it. So you select it. So what you have to do next, let's play it and see what it looks like. You see? So what we have to do now, let's try and animate it and give it that cinematic feel. So you take it to the beginning, your keyframe, scale, move forward a bit again, and select the keyframe again. Then what we have to do is go to the first keyframe and zoom in. Yeah, you can actually like select the position, go down, select this position again, and alright, adjust it down here, adjust the position, zoom in. After you zoomed in and make the adjustments from this your scale and position, you can, let's play it and see how it looks like. Yeah, let's make it a little bit smooth and good. You can select this 2 keyframe here and then come here, you right click it, you come to temporal interpolation and easy. Now let's play it again. So this is what you get. Yep.